Last time on Blue Line Rider, we have shown you some views at Bike Glendhu, how much it would cost you, that van was $10 one way, and how the black trails look like. And if you haven't seen this, I'll put a link in the description down below. Better yet, if you are new to the channel and you like what you saw, don't forget you can always hit the subscribe button so you don't miss an upload. Now, for today, time to show you some blue trails part 1. These are the blue trails that you are to expect if you wish to ride from up top Falcon's Nest. And this trail includes Upper Baywatch to Lower Baywatch. Now that the explanations are done, let's go. As you guys could see, this trail starts at Falcon's Nest, which is for the highest peak at Bike Glendhu.
All blue?
Alright, so this trail is called Upper Baywatch. This is 2.3 kilometers long and it's just a flowy blue trail that leads to Lower Baywatch. Upper and Lower Baywatch has a combined length of 6.5 kilometers.
Which way you go? Which way you go?
We're going that way.
If you go that way, I'm watching.
That was mellow a while ago.
We did this the first run.
This one?
Yeah, all the way.
That's right.
Because if you could do that, you could do any trail. Well, I don't want to disappoint the gentleman, so yep, time to show him how it's done. Meet Baywatch!
Oh, init.
Hot, mate.
Huh?
Too hot. Sorry guys, no third persons because we're time pressured. Actually, while we're waiting, shout out to Boaz, the youngest member of Pinoy Slow Rider. That's Race, young boy. Yeah. Okay. Man, I'm tired.
Oh my god, the rope.
That's a lot of compression and compression and pulling up and pulling up. That ride was, man, that's flow. Flow, yes? Flow agree? Flow agree? Yeah. And that ends today's upload. Don't forget, if you like what you saw, don't forget to hit like, comment, subscribe. Peace.